Hi, I'm Jay Cantingwella from NXP, and I'm here at Future Electronics 2018 Advanced Engineering University. Today I'd like to introduce you to NXP's new Rapid IoT prototyping kit. Some background: IoT and the growth in connected nodes opens up exciting new possibilities for developers. Many of us have our own ideas, our dreams of what we'd like to take to a proof of concept or a POC, but doing that on time, under budget, and is simply a challenge. So we architected Rapid IoT to meet this challenge. What is Rapid IoT? Well, first of all, it's not an evaluation kit. It is not a reference design. It is a prototyping kit. It's designed to get you as fast and as easily as possible to a prototype. It has everything you need to take sensor data from multiple sensors, process it, send it up to the cloud, and then view the results later in either a mobile or a web application, and even provides you reports. So it packs 20 devices. We tried to take everything that you might possibly want to use most commonly used in an IoT node. It has multiple sensors: temperature sensor, barometric pressure, gyroscope, ambient light sensor, air quality sensor. I could go on. But to future-proof it, we added in capacitive touch and NFC. And of course, being NXP, we built in security. It has a secure element chip in it for secure authentication and secure updates. It's possible that there's a sensor that you need that we haven't integrated, that can be provided through an ecosystem of clipboards. So you can get the clipboard, write the software, write the drivers, and you have a choice of over 400 clipboards today. We offer a software solution as well. In the form of Rapid Iot Studio, which is a web-based IDE with a drag and drop interface. Now what this means is that you do not need to be a programmer. You do not need to have to code in C. You want to code in C, that option is available, but we make it very easy with the Studio IDE for even a non-engineer to be able to develop an IoT application. So if you put all this together, what is the end result? Well, it reduces the development time from months to weeks, days, possibly even less, depending on the complexity of your application and how familiar you are with the tools. So the question is, what will you build? Contact your future representative for more information, and you can also refer to www.nxp.com/rapid-IoT for more resources. Thank you for your time.